to make money. In fact, Carlos, the 9-year-old, is peeking in here. Aren't you excited to be greeted by the cameras this morning?
Yeah.
He's getting ready to celebrate his 10th birthday next month, but you guys aren't quite celebrating, but you have some good news this morning because you know how you can save some money now.
Yeah, Drew's helped us a lot. Big eye-openers here on some of the things that we've spent too much on, and we need to reallocate a lot of our funds in different areas. So I think this has turned out to be a very good experience.
Yeah, so you're making some progress. And Drew, you've seen this before, and you can find some instant savings.
Yeah, basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be looking at starting some college funding. We're going to pay off some credit cards. We're going to put the credit cards in the freezer once again, so they don't have any impulse purchases after that. So they have to thaw out before they make purchases. And then we're also going to build up their savings account. So right now they're using the credit cards for emergencies. We're going to build up savings for emergencies.
Perfect. Sounds like a game plan. So it's Money Savings May, and we are already saving in a big way at the Montano household. Even Carlos is getting into things right here. Reporting live on the west side, Scott Gilbury, live local, late breaking. Back to you, Jenny.
I love to hear that, Scott. And really, I mean, they've only been working together for about an hour and a half, and that includes all the interruptions and things with the broadcast. So it sounds like they've made a lot of progress.
Yeah, they're making progress. So folks out there can get the same help. Just go on to KLD.com.
Exactly. Thank you so much, Scott. Well, today's tip of the day comes from our financial expert, Drew Blease. He advises people to have an expert review your car and your home insurance for potential savings there. And, you know,
it is the dread line that most people...
Mountain of debt, but enough to call for help. We knocked on their door as the sun was rising and even brought the donuts. Gina was hesitant at first, but had no regrets once we introduced her to financial expert Drew Blease. He showed her a couple of places to save some money instantly so she can start planning for the long-term future. Sure, she and her husband and kids, they're young, but it's never too early to start.
My biggest concern is what's going to happen after we're done working. My husband's got the profit sharing set up, but I have nothing, so you know we can't live off of just that. And I guess that's just been my biggest fear.
We're looking at paying off the credit cards, okay, when they sell the boat, and then we're going to be saving the money they were paying on the credit cards. We'll be putting basically about half of that into a retirement plan for Gina, into an IRA, and that'll save the money because that's tax deductible.
The Montanos are planning on selling one of their 2 boats and using that to pay off the credit card debt, so we will keep you updated.
Yeah, so they said